The loop formation method. Once the scope is in the rectum, up angulation is applied and the folds of the rectum are avoided by turn maneuver. This 6 o'clock bend in the screen is the end of the rectum. Rotate clockwise 180 degrees at this point. The next step is to flip the folds with an up angulation. In RS, the lumen is left deployed, so turn to the left. Where the lumen expands to the right is the beginning of the sigmoid colon. Right torque while pulling with up angulation. However, the lumen expands to the front slightly to the upper right. In this case, we have to push the scope forward. Push the scope forward. A little resistance is felt in the right hand. Deflate lightly. Applying a down angulation moves the scope tip forward, which minimizes the push of the right hand. Down angulation and right angulation. If the scope moves forward as much as we push it without resistance, it is proof that we have the ideal loop shape. In that case, we can continue to push the scope forward. From here, it's D. Once we're in D, proceed straight ahead. The next bend is the LCF. Apply an up angulation, hook the scope tip into the bend, and pull the scope back while twisting to the right. This is right turn shortening. Put the scope tip back on the top of the D, check for deflection of the scope, and release the extracorporeal loop.